Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to show you the trade we took right here on gold. So we short the market and target this low right here. And also it was called on for our private members on Patreon. So as you can see, sell stop 1985, stop loss 20 pip, TP was 110 pips, and the RR was 1 to 6, 1 to 10. So this was TP2. I usually don't do a TP2, but this one was clean, so I decided to add up a TP2. And this was the break-even level, all right? So I'm adding up some stuff along the way, and also I'm adding up some pictures along the way so people can understand the thought process behind the trade. So guys, if you want to join our Patreon group, we're currently up this week 7%. So we took a little bit of losses, but ending up the week with a 7% profit. And week 1 was a 10% profit with a lot of wins. And week 2 was also 7% profit. So for the month of March, we are 24.5% in profit. All right. So now with that being said, guys, before we start, I'm going to let you read the disclaimer. As you know already, I am not a financial advisor, and this YouTube channel and this YouTube video is for entertainment purposes only. Perfect. So now let me go and show you the thought process behind the trade. So as you can see, all right, I'm just going to put full screen. So as you can see, this is obviously a double top. Perfect. And this was the breakout. Perfect. I also saw this breakout right here. And this this high was made from this candle right here, this area. So this high was made from this breakout push, and usually I never use those breakout push as a zone of interest, but the reason why it's a zone of interest and it's valid, it's because it was the market created liquidity above it. Perfect. So as you can see, there's a high, there's a higher low, and there's a new high. And the market did not touch this zone. Therefore, this zone becomes valid for a mitigation and for making a new high. All right, guys. So this zone is very well explained in my advanced PDF guide. So if you want to have access to the advanced PDF guide, you can go on my Patreon and you will have access to the my advanced strategy. So as you can see right here, the market mitigated this zone, made a new high, made a breakout, took out this double top. So now we are selling the market. So with a 20 pip stop loss, so we had a sell stop, sorry. So as the market was up, we put a sell stop, aiming obviously for this low right here. So this is the target. And the reason why this is a target, it's very simple. It's because the zone is already mitigated, made a new high, and we took out this double top. All right. So this is our logical target, which is a 1 to 6, I think. Yeah, pretty much it. Perfect. So now we are in the sell position, and now I'm going to show you how the market tricked me. All right. So on Friday, we were supposed to ending the week with a 4% profit, but I made some mistakes, made some bad decisions. So we ended up the day with a 2% profit and not 4%. So let me show you how. So for the day, we took a loss right here. So we started the day with a negative 1%. All right. Now we were running with this trade, which was a running 1 to 4. And now what I saw is that the market took out this breakout push right here. As you can see, this is the breakout push. And made a major pullback, almost took us out at break even. So now as the market comes back down, I'm telling to myself, okay, maybe the market wants to go higher because we're very bullish on gold on the higher time frame, and also there's those two beautiful double top right here that we may take out one day. So maybe the market wants to approach this zone and make a new high. So now I'm saying to myself, okay, I'm going to take a buy position. So I called a edge position on the private members group right here. So the market got triggered by this candle. So we were in the buy position and in the sell position. So if the market takes out this high, we will be in the buy position. So covering this trade. And if the market take out this this buy position, we will still be in the sell position. This is edging, all right? Obviously the market took us out and we took a loss on the edge position. So now we are 2 losses for a day. And now what I see is the market running like a 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and the market looks like it wants to pull back up. So as the market pulls back down, I'm saying to the people in our private members group, okay guys, I'm leaving the day with a 1 to 4, so take a profit at 1976 with a 1 to 4, and we ending up the day with 2% profit, all right? But the thing is that if I would have stick to my original bias, which was a sell and target this low, we would have had a 1 to 6, which is a 6% profit with a loss for the day, which is ending up the day with a maybe a 5% profit. But what I did is we closed early our trade with a 1 to 4, and we took 2 losses for the day, ending up the day with 2% profit. So this was the mistake I made, guys. So the goal was a little bit tricky right here when it ranged. So guys, this is why it's important to stick to your original bias. And yeah, but still guys, I'm a human, so I made sometimes some mistakes, but still we're ending up the week with a beautiful 7% profit, which is not bad, but still we could have made a better profit for this week. All right guys, so this was the thought process behind this trade and the reason why we took I made some bad decisions for the day. So I hope it makes sense, guys. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, what I ask in return is to tell your friend about Escape FX, and to tell them to follow me on Instagram, to follow me on YouTube. I'm giving some free nuggets on my YouTube and my Instagram, and this is the fee, guys. So if you learn something, please share the show, share this YouTube channel, and yeah. So also, if you want to join our Patreon group, you can DM me on my Instagram. It's very simple, guys. Like I said, I'm writing my stop loss, sorry, my entry, my stop loss, my take profit, and it's very simple. Like I said, I'm adding up some pictures along the way, and yeah, so this is it, guys. Hope you're gonna have a good and profitable trading week. So see you on the next video.